Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment, Environment and Development, week 6, assignment 6. So the first question is, the Forest Right Act was implemented in dash. So these are the option 2006, 2000, none of these 2005. So let's check the answer of our first question. So question first, the Forest Right Act 2006. So the answer of our first question is A, 2006. Now the second question is, what do you mean by environmental entitlements? So these are the option, and let's check the answer of our second question. So question second, environmental entitlement, alternative sets of utilities derived from environmental goods and services over which social actors have legitimate effective demand. So the answer of our second question is D. Now the third question is, the Wildlife Protection Act was established in dash. So these are the option 1972, 1975, 1980, 1960. So let's check the answer of our third question. So question third, Wildlife Protection Act 1972. So the answer of our third question is A, 1972. Now the fourth question is, what are the three R's for environmental preservation? So these are the option reduce, recycle and reuse, redistribution, resettlement and restoration, reuse, reduction and resettlement, reduce, reduction and resettlement. So let's check the answer of our fourth question. Question 4. The three R's to save the environment are reduce, recycle, and reuse. So the answer of our fourth question is A. Reduce, recycle, and reuse. So let's go to fifth question. Which of the following statement is true about sustainable development? None of these. Sustainable development leads to equitable distribution of resources and so on. So let's check the answer of our fifth question. Question fifth. Equitable distribution control exploitation. So the answer of our fifth question is C. Now let's go to sixth question. What do you mean by natural resources? So these are the options. All of these resources available in unmodified natural form, resources available in nature, naturally occurring substance. So let's check the answer of our sixth question. Question 6. Natural resources are the resources available in a nature like air, water, sunlight, soil, minerals, forest, wildlife, etc. Natural resources are naturally occurring substances that are considered valuable in their relatively unmodified natural form. So the answer of our sixth question is A, all of these. Now the seventh question is, the book governing the commons was authored by dash. So these are the option Water, Clyde, Sonia Althusser, John Alcock, Elinor Ostrom. So let's check the answer of our seventh question. So question seven, Elinor Ostrom in her book Governing the Commons 1990. So the answer of our seventh question is D. Elinor Ostrom. Now the eighth question is, environmental problems like degradation of forest come under dash. So these are the option cultural right, economic rights, property rights problem, human rights. So let's check the answer of our eighth question. Question 8. Environmental problems like degradation of forest are property rights problem. So the answer of our eighth question is C. Property rights problem. Now the ninth question is, which of the following statement are true about biodiversity? So these are the option, and let's check the answer of our ninth question. So question 9. Biodiversity provides the base for the livelihood, cultures and economies of several hundred millions of people, including farmers, fisher folk, forest dwellers and artisans. So let's check. So the answer of our ninth question is D. All of these. Now the 10th question is, what does community-based natural resource management refer to? So these are the option, and let's check the answer of our 10th question. So question 10th. Other word community-based natural resource management refer to the collective use and management of natural resources in rural areas. So the answer of our 10th question is B. Collective use and management of natural resources. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching this video.